I'm here today at this grand Victorian villa situated in the prestigious coastal location of St Margarets Bay. Welcome to the Anchorage. This beautiful home is absolutely brimming with period features and charm. I love this open plan kitchen dining room with luxurious fitted units and stunning granite work surfaces. On the first floor you have 2 double bedrooms and a bathroom. In the main bedroom you have the most incredible views of the iconic coastline of St Margarets Bay. The second floor has a further 2 double bedrooms and another bathroom. Once again I am in awe of these stunning sea views. This property also has a studio-style lower ground floor. You have all of this additional living space with its own access and patio area. Perfect as an annex for guests, other family members, or even a cosy holiday let. So if you're looking for a magnificent coastal home just moments away from an award-winning beach, then contact Foundation Estate Agents today.